What up, world? It's Machiavelli the Don, back with another reaction, y'all. This is my new pistol bag. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe bell. Man, yeah, y'all, it's the pistol bag. It's got compartments. Another compartment. This area right here is where you put your phone at. Cell phone. Yeah, you put your phone up in this part right here. And your pistol or firearm, you know, you put it in a slot right here. So let me say, like, if you got a Glock, a 40, a 9, or shoot, pepper spray gun, pepper gel gun, or if you just got a BB gun, or a pellet gun, either one, you know, whatever you want to carry, you know what I'm saying? Then you can adjust it right here. So, yeah, it's adjustable. They come in all colors. They got, this is army green. They got tan. They got black. And they had a few other colors, But yeah, y'all, you know what I'm saying? Smash that like button, It's, it's cool. Something smooth for the summer, you know. If you're thinking about getting like a extra holster, for your firearm, this would be a good purchase. And you can be comfortable with it. You know what I'm saying? So let me know down below if y'all got y'all one of these, It's a good purchase. You know what I'm saying? DM me in the comments. I'll let you know where you can pick you up one at. But other than that, y'all, smash that like button for the pistol bag. You feel me? But y'all know my motto. Be safe, stay dangerous, stay blessed.